Hey guys, this is Gizmo Freak again, and guess what? I've laid my hands on the greatest Asus ROG Phone 2 today. I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay, right. I just received it today, so let's just go ahead and see what's in the box. It's a gorgeous looking box, as you can see, with the ROG logo here and the ROG Phone 2. Bought it on Flipkart today, so it was delivered today actually to me. So I'm really excited. So right now I'm just gonna open it and check what's in the box, and then I will play with the phone, and then I'm gonna give you guys a complete review later. Okay, so let me just take out the plastic here. It's out of the way. It says 4G VoLTE on this, so let's see. Okay, I think this is the instructions booklet. Yeah, okay, there's an instruction booklet, there's a cover, there's a SIM remover, and here is the beauty. Looks amazing. Let me remove the plastic on it. And here it is. Oh my, it's a massive phone. As you can see, it's huge, shiny, some beast of a stuff, I would say. It's a beast of a phone. Yeah, that's the ROG logo and the DTS logo here down. Ooh, that was amazing. Okay, we'll take a look at it later. Let's see what else is there in the box. There's a charger. Okay, I believe it's an 18-watt charger. Interesting. And what's in here? It's a Type-C cable. So this works on Type-C. And yeah, that's it, I think, in the box. What else is here? Oh yeah, an interesting piece of work here. This is the back cover. Looks gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, off we go. I'll get back to you guys after I explore the phone and play with it. Cheers.